Hey guys, it's Deronda with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these beef lettuce wraps. So simple and easy to make, yet so scrumptious and delicious. The ingredients you're going to need is a half a pound of ground round beef, or if you'd like to substitute this for ground turkey or chicken, you be my guest. 1/2 cup of thinly sliced red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced spring onions, some of you will know them as green onions, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seed oil, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of freshly chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Make sure you use the ginger root. I use a microplane just to grate it. It'll make all the difference in flavor. 1 medium garlic clove minced. 1/2 cup of water chestnuts. I buy them thinly sliced in the can and I chop them down like this. 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch. 2 teaspoons of rice wine vinegar. And for my sauce on the lettuce wraps, I'm going to use a sweet red chili sauce. And to wrap the beef in, I've got these center pieces of romaine lettuce. I like to rinse them, wrap them in paper towels, let them sit in the refrigerator, and they'll be lovely and crispy for you. First, we're going to take the cornstarch with that rice wine vinegar. We're going to add those two together. Stir until that cornstarch has dissolved in the vinegar. Next, we're going to add it over the top of our beef. Or if you're using chicken or turkey, you'll know what to do. Take a fork, make sure you've got those ingredients in there. This is going to make this meat nice and tender. And we can set this off to the side. In a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat, not your highest heat, but medium-high, add your olive oil. You want to make sure you coat your oil around the pan. Add your ginger, your garlic. We're going to stir this around for about 15 seconds. You just want to get the aroma circulating in the oil. And those flavors of garlic and ginger is going to be spectacular. Next, we're going to add the meat that we've got marinated. Cook this until it's crumbly and no longer pink. About 2 to 3 minutes. When you no longer see the pink, it's time to add those slices of red bell pepper with your chopped water chestnuts, your soy sauce, and that toasted sesame seed oil. Cook this for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Continue stirring. After an additional 2 minutes, I'm going to turn off that timer. And I'm going to take this off the heat, add that cilantro, and the green onions or the spring onions. We're going to stir it for about 30 seconds. And get those flavors well incorporated. Oh, if you could be here and smell how fantastic this is. These are ready for their lettuce wraps. I just began filling the lettuce wraps until they're about 3/4 of the way full. Some lettuce wraps are larger than others, but that works out beautifully. And here's that sweet red chili sauce. Let's try one. The garlic smells so fantastic. You can use any kind of sauce you want to put on here. I'm going to leave that up to you. Let's give it a try. Lovely flavors. The garlic, the ginger, and the crunch from those water chestnuts and those red bell peppers are absolutely scrumptious. Fast, easy to make, and a light meal for lunch, dinner, or any time of the day. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, y'all, and I'll catch you lovely people later.